about the color green, what comes to mind? Trees, maybe a green apple or broccoli. Now try thinking about things that are green and are also very, very big.
Like maybe an army truck or the Jolly Green Giant, both of which might be a little less attainable.
But if you can get your hands on something big and green, we're about to point you in the right direction. We have got our pal, Steve Mons, at Historic Studio D today. He, of course, is with Big 1077 and the Rock Shop. And yes, I only have one, just one question for you. Is it easy being green?
Ask Kermit.
No, actually, I want to ask you, when you think of something big and green, what's the first thing you think of?
I think of those giant waste management garbage trucks.
Okay.
All right, all right.
Big garbage
They're
trucks.
green.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so why are we talking about big green things?
Well, we are doing something on Big 1077
Okay.
where we have tickets to see Green Day in concert this summer at Nationals Park.
Ooh.
So we thought, how could we give them away? Well, let's do, somebody has to show up with the biggest green thing they can find. And whoever finds the biggest green thing and shows up next Saturday, the 16th, between 11 and 1 at Purdue Stadium, will get Green Day tickets.
Wow.
And everyone else, even if your green thing is not that large, you're going to be in the running to win an additional pair of tickets. So we have a couple of pair that we're going to give away.
Nice.
So lots of green things.
So it's green for St. Patty's Day.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Okay. And Green Day. Green Day. That's awesome. So who's opening up for them? Any other?
Smashing Pumpkins.
Really?
Just another 90s band, sure.
Oh my goodness.
Now, they are actually considered
Oh wait, yeah. Big 1077's classic rock.
classic rock now.
Hard to imagine that Green Day is classic rock.
Yeah.
And Smashing Pumpkins, it is. It's over, the technical term is over 20 years is classic. So anything really around 2004 is classic.
I guess that makes sense.
4?
That's technically how you go by it, but it's hard. It doesn't seem to make sense.
No.
Yeah, no. Okay, but that's not the only thing going on. Kegs and eggs.
Yes, this I'm very excited about. This is the first time that we're taking my morning show, The Rock Shop, on the road. We're going to Bethany Blues, Downtown Blues location in Rehoboth next Friday morning from 8 until 10 for a 2-hour happy hour kickoff St. Patrick's Day weekend extravaganza.
Ooh.
Oh my.
So kegs and eggs, there's going to be an egg sandwich and beer special for those who are brave enough to drink at 8 in the morning.
I was going to say, you did say it was a morning thing, right?
Yes,
And this is the perfect time of year to do a green thing.
absolutely. Everything green, all green. We're going to
All
have all
green.
sorts of green stuff to give away. And
Are you Irish?
I am not Irish. But everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day.
Okay,
right?
I get
right.
you.
That's the
Okay,
old
so
saying.
so you've got the kegs and eggs on Friday.
Yep.
And then Saturday at Purdue Stadium, that's when we bring our
Big green
giant,
thing.
big green things. And the time for that again?
11 to 1.
11 to 1. All right, I'm going to think, I don't know if we can qualify, but I'm going to be thinking of the biggest green thing I could possibly
You're not
bring.
painting me.
Spray paint, you could do that.
No.
Sure.
No.
Steve Mons, Big 1077, thank you so much. And can you try to be a little more festive next time you come in?
Yeah.
Not so trad and dull.
I'll try and amp it up a little bit next time if I can.
Steve, you're the man.